KSS stock, super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all this, so watch till the end. Look, I've done more videos than anyone else in this space, documented them all. The only guy in this space with this much videos, 40,000 to the dot. And it's a bearish market. I mean, I'm not going to come out here and just trying to spill out fake hope. The truth is that this thing is, again, I think about to get cooked yet again. We've been talking about this thing over and over again. And only if there's some sort of shift as such, I'm going to look to take it down, right? If not, it's all good. It's really, I'm not going to come out here and force trades, so yeah, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules. Despite all this freaking noise, yeah, no way, no, I'm not going to sit here and just sell randomly, so I think that I've done some previous KSS receipts. Yeah, some have in the Discord, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.